Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet on your mobile app. In order to do that, we need to actually have an exchange where we can send our Solana into in order to withdraw and cash out. So we're going to be using Binance. So the first thing we're going to do is to open our Binance app and get the Solana address. Now right here in Binance, you're going to look at the bottom right corner where you have wallets. And here in wallets, you're going to swipe to the left in order to see it under spot. So here we have spot currently. You want to make sure you have that. And then we're going to search for Solana. Here we can see Solana, so we're going to tap on it. And at the top area here, you can see deposit crypto. So we're going to tap on that. We're going to be using the Solana network. So we're going to also tap on it. Now right here, we're going to copy the deposit address, which is the alphanumeric address. So we're going to tap on it. And with that, we're going to go over to our Phantom wallet. Now right here in our Phantom wallet, we have some options here, such as Solana, Ethereum, and others. We're going to go over and click on send. Now, when we're trying to send, we're going to, of course, click on Solana. And then we're also going to select the address which we copied. As you can see here, there is a suggestion, paste from clipboard. So we're going to tap on it and then click on next. And here you have the option to put the amount of Solana you have. And when you put that, you're going to have the next button activated. Now, when you click on next, you're going to simply verify the transaction. But of course, you want to make sure that you're also using the Solana network for transactions in order not to lose your funds. When that has been successfully done, you're going to have your Solana in your Binance wallet. And then, of course, on Binance, you could use P2P to sell your Solana and have the cash. So this is how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet.